Motha party ni taraf theke jong government of Tripura ni je tribal department ro jong sanai tabo je agami je ADC election general election to Tripura tribal areas autonomous district council boni meat paya ko sani sikangno jate election khlajangna ni ungthung omochini demand chini dabi government of Tripura ni thanigo accordingly ornigo boy jeta tongmani rules ko tongman je amahaka Tripura tribal areas autonomous district council constitution election and conduct of business rules 1985 oro jaga sujak tongo je meat paya ko sani sikang no abo election ma khlainai aga tabo ni je bortomana je council tongo boni meat painai 18th April 2026 boni age na jate ADC election khlainai nungthung ini jong government thano tak saka ebong je ADC ni je executive committee boro bahini siddhanto na goi চিঠি কাইসা রহজাখা যে ও ইলেকশন টাইমলি খজংনে উংথং বনি রেসপন্সে গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ত্রিপুরা নি ট্রাইবাল ফেয়ার ডিপার্টমেন্ট বড় এডিশনাল সংখ্যা যে তাবনি যে রিজার্ভেশন স্ট্যাটাস ন নিরক রহদি এনি সামানি পরে হাই হাই এডিসি নি সিইউ ব রিজার্ভেশন স্ট্যাটাস না মেনশন খাই state government ni thaniko chithi ro hojabkha jong idaning kale jong khus khobor na kha tabo election khlaina ni thaka angka tini hangka 15th January 2026 election last election bongkha 6th April 2021 angka boni age jodi khlaina ni thaka angka by this time the electoral roll draft of electoral roll ADC ni bangai abo khlainani somoy phai sopai tongkha jong o chithi rahmani pare tribal affairs department ni taraf theke kono preparation amhai khlaijak tong heni chuno janongmani krui haini bangani jong abo o press conference ni bisingtui khlai government of Tripura tribal affairs department na jong sanani musugo je nirok ব্যক্তি যা necessary পদক্ষেপ নাংমানি বনো নাদি নাগৈ টাইমলি ADC election খাইদি আমকে সে Tipra Motha ni political party ni demand
तुम टाइम
बनो खलाइनाने बाङै जों तो तब demand खलाइका जदि बर खलाया हका जों agitation खलाइने movement खलाइने बनो चिनी point जे political rights चिनी Tipra ni बाङै जे political rights ni bangi chingta bo kok saitong jodi boro timely general election to ADC khlaya hongkai borok chini Tipra saroni je political rights bono ignore khlaimani khlainai jong to chini borok ni bangi chini dofani bangi political rights bangi ni kok saitong jodi borok timely election khlaya hongkai borok chini Tipra saroni ADC je political rights renen kokramani borok ignore claimani klainai boni bangani chong chini borok ni political rights ni bangi chung kok sanai
question is arises since normally the election conducted within the 5 years of the tenure the span of the election so the state election commission did not conduct the general election to TTL, village committee election to TTLDC. Definitely this question is arises, but we hope we have to communicate with the election commission as well as the honorable chief minister. Since the honorable chief minister is the head of the state, so we have to appraise the issue and we have mandatory to place our demand as a political player of the state, important political player of the state. So this is very important for the interest of the general people, for the upliftment of the state. So naturally this question is arises before us. So yesterday we had the opportunity to meet honorable chief minister and placed a very demand to accept to exceed our submission for the betterment of the state.
तो जब आपने दिए हैं
On this issue, we did not appraise during the course of discussion. On the particular issues, that is romanesque, that issues only discussed on the very meeting yesterday.
तो देखा गया है बहुत जगह
He has already started yesterday and assured us. So I think so. He's already sends his demands, sends his points of view for the interest of the people. Now we don't like to mention anything on this stage. So we always hope positive from the Honorable Chief Minister. I think time to time the situation is developing. So he's the head of the state. He definitely look into the matters for the betterment of the state. So we don't like to comment anything further on this.
तो
We input from him. So as long as the discussion is concerned, so the points of view who the Honorable Chief Minister expressed yesterday during the course of a discussion with our delegates. So I think that point is enough that we must appreciate the Honorable Chief Minister if he taking care of the issues and the very issue at the earliest possible.
Yeah.